Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Mumbai. I'm at the Diecast meet today, and today I am meeting Manmohan. Right?
Yes.
Today I'm meeting Manmohan, and he's got a wonderful Hot Wheels collection. मुझे मालूम है आप लोगों को Hot Wheels का कितना शौक है. बहुत ही बढ़िया कलेक्शन है इनके पास, and I'm pretty sure हर गाड़ी की कुछ ना कुछ एक कहानी है. So quickly I'll introduce him. A small tour of his collection. क्या क्या लिया, क्यों लिया, क्या सोच के लिया, क्या पसंद है. So first of all, hi भाई.
Hello, hi, how are you?
Fine, thank you. And beautiful cars he's got. I'll just pan the camera. आप देख सकते हो. Rare stuff, exclusive stuff, all of it he's got over here. So, bhai, tell me first of all, when did you start collecting?
Back in 2016, it all started when I was discussing about a mystery machine,
Okay.
with a friend of mine.
Okay.
तो उसने बताया कि Hot Wheels usually comes up with such cars, and he asked me to visit a nearby place,
Okay.
nearby toy shop. Unfortunately, I didn't get a mystery machine back then. But
Okay.
slowly, steadily, when initially you take and you buy a lot of things.
Right.
Then you downstream with what you actually like.
Right. So, love that. I can see a particular theme 100% वगैरह.
Correct.
So, first of all, भाई ये पता नहीं आप कब दिखाओगे, but मेरे ऑर्डर ऑफ बिजनेस में ये नंबर 1 है. ऑयल कैन को भी डुअल ऑयल कैन बनाया है, पीछे मिरर भी दिया है. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल सेट. हाउ मच इज दिस गोइंग फॉर दीज डेज, ये बताओ.
Yeah, that's a better question, rather. If I'm not wrong, it's going for $200 to $50 now.
$250. तो आपके सामने ये 20,000 रुपए के आसपास की दो गाड़ियाँ, मतलब एक गाड़ी 10,000 रुपए की. और क्या खूबसूरत डिटेलिंग है, लगती ही नहीं है कि हॉट व्हील्स हैं यहाँ. ब्यूटीफुल. एंड ऑब्वियसली इधर लिखा हुआ है द अडल्ट कलेक्टर लिमिटेड एडिशन फॉर द अडल्ट कलेक्टर. इट्स नॉट फॉर किड्स एंड ऑल. So, bhai, now show us a couple of your interesting ones. Tell us the story behind.
This is something similar.
Okay.
Since my collection started with Batman, Batmobiles.
Okay.
So I had to buy this Batman Begins car. You could see the tumbler.
Both the tumblers.
Correct.
The sand camo and the black
The
one.
black one. Correct. So this is yet another oil can by Hot Wheels.
और आजकल ये कितने की जा रही है?
This, I guess $100.
$100. तो आजकल सारी अप्रिशिएट जबरदस्त की हैं.
And apart from that, फिर अगर आप if you look for all these 100% acrylic case
ओके.
cars,
100% एक्रिलिक केस. ये सारी एक्रिलिक केस वाली 100% है.
correct. तो इसमें आपको in terms of varieties, you could see there is Gone in 60 seconds.
Okay.
Then there is a low riders.
Gone in 60 seconds. This is the Aliener.
Correct. Yes. So here's a Hot Wheels 100% Gone in 60 seconds Eleanor.
Oh wow. Also very rare these days.
Correct. Yes. Again, $100 maybe. I
Nice.
have to again cross verify with eBay.
No, it's fine. He's just giving basic prices. Please, someone do not come and target both of us कि तुम लोग ऐसा गलत बोल रहे हो. So,
If you want to get exact quotes, you'll have to figure out. थोड़ा research करना पड़ेगा.
but average evaluation आजकल चलती है इतनी. Then
There are these low riders. Again, this is from the Lowrider magazine set.
okay.
Hot Wheels then came up with an RLC edition, RLC version of such lowriders a couple of years back.
Right. I'll just show you one. अभी ऐसा ये आप इम्पाला देख रहे हो ना? That is one of the RLC lowriders. But this.
But the ones that I've got on my hand, these are lowriders by Hot Wheels 100% series.
100% series.
Correct.
And ये किस ईयर के हैं?
Yeah, I believe 2004, 2005 के हो गए. I may be wrong. I don't remember it exactly.
But काफी पुराने, 20 साल पुराने.
10-15 साल कम से कम पुराने.
Oh wow, amazing.
Early 2000s, if I am not wrong.
Okay.
These all were released back in US, तो ये सारे के सारे imported है.
And
India में it was more like Hot Wheels was always like a toy. It was not like a collectible.
Right. तो इधर I can see some more interesting stuff. This is a Coca-Cola Duo.
Correct.
This is also by Hot Wheels. Team Transport kind of अपने जमाने का.
Yes. Team Transport तो अभी आया, but then there's a lot of Fords.
Okay, I can see a Thunderbird set.
Correct.
और ये मतलब इस पे तो $25 का प्राइस ही लिखा हुआ है. तो सोचो आजकल कितने का होगा, जाके पता करके बताओ. Then I can see more. This is a boat. This is a pickup truck.
This is an El Camino that
Okay.
you see over here. Here's another Chevy Fleetline.
Okay.
Fleetside, sorry.
Okay, fleet side.
Correct.
Beautiful.
It's like
And you've got a Jeep Wrangler.
Jeep Wranglers are of my. Where's my friend? Where's my buddy?
We can do it later.
Okay, fine. So these are green lights.
Okay.
This is like one of old cars. लोगों के लिए ऐसी गाड़ी है जो worn up है, खेला हुआ है, थोड़ी टूटी फूटी है, but this has.
So these actually belong to him. This is Sherwin. Hi. So these are yours?
Yeah, these are mine. This is mine.
Okay. Which is this one? Looks interesting.
Tomica.
Tomica.
Yeah.
143.
From 95.
145.
from 1989.
Oh my God, older than me basically.
Yeah, older than me as well.
Oh really? That's awesome. And they still roll, so you know the quality that was amazing.
And they have
Rubber tires. Oh wait. Oh wow. So Tomica gives it is in the Testarossa and all these days,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
64 में, but उस time पे.
so my dad got this.
And these
when
actually have plastic inserts, वो mica
Yeah.
type का डाला हुआ है अंदर.
he got this during the launch of the car, this
Oh.
particular car.
Nice.
From 1990, it's with us.
Thank you so much for sharing. And okay, this is what? This is something special, the multicolor one.
Multicolored one. Yeah, this was launched by Dodge last year for the Challenger.
Okay.
Final run.
Final
So
run.
they gave 14 colors, the wrap for the Challenger.
Okay, every color the Challenger was ever produced in
Producer that was on sale only.
on sale. And this is a Jeep
From a
Wrangler.
movie.
Okay,
So this is the first gen Jeep Wrangler.
beautiful. Coming back to his collection, this is red one, couple of trucks, the Ford trucks, then
There's a set of El Camino.
El Camino, wow.
There's yet another hauler by Larry Wood. So this
Oh, Larry Wood,
car was designed by Larry.
beautiful, beautiful.
So that's one thing.
I
Then
think-
there are. This is a European classic set. It has a Mercedes.
European classic set, it has got a Mercedes. Oh wow.
It's a tailboard lago, if I'm not wrong.
Oh,
There's like, I mean, this is just, I would say, when you try to understand the series of 100% and oil cans, this is just a part of it.
part of it. This is the tip of the iceberg.
Absolutely.
And I can see a couple of beautiful ones here, yellow and blue. This is the Go Mad, which is basically a fantasy.
Exactly. It is basic. It's based on a Chevy Nomad.
Okay.
But since they, I believe,
They did not get the license, so
license
they
and
did it
license
Go
to
Mad.
Go Mad, correct. And that's a
Beautiful.
Cadillac. That's
That's a 57 Cadillac. Beautiful. So thank you so much, Manmohan, for your time. Lots of people around here, lots of cars. But I'm glad we took out the time. People got to see some very interesting stuff. You've got some beauties. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you.